So, colleagues, good morning once more. And I hope this coffee freshes a bit. And we went out from formalities now to the real work of our meeting. And I see the future of Africa sitting behind there. You are the future we are looking for. You are the one to implement all the dreams we are looking for. That's including Agenda 2063. You know, most people who develop this agenda, like myself, they will not be alive to achieve the aspiration or to see how the continent looks like in 2063. But you are the people there. And I wish one day when you see the change in the continent, you are going to remember that there is someone from Africa who spoke to you about the Agenda 2063. So, colleagues, the session between hands is not only for the interest of the scientific committee, but again, it's for the interest of the policymakers in Africa and in the world. I just mentioned to you that Agenda 2063, which was endorsed by the head of states and governments of the African Union, articulated health as one of its own priority, which we are expecting African people to have better health and to be able to respond to the challenges which we are facing in the continent. That in this regard, the African Union Department of Human Resource Science and Technology developed the Science and Technology and Innovation Strategy for Africa. Strategy addressing the challenges we are facing to achieve prosper, knowledge-driven continent. One of the priority area under the STISA is health again. So, ladies and gentlemen, the challenges we are facing in Africa concerning the emerging infectious disease are significant. And for most recent, I'm reflecting on the Ebola outbreak in West Africa and the impact of the Ebola outbreak in West Africa in the economy and the livelihood of the continent. We will find out that the death record is 11,000 out of 20,000 cases. And the economic impact, it was $4 billion in the GDP. And this is what we are receiving today as the reports in July 2050. The reality is the African Union Commission realized the importance of health and in the forefront of the science and technology and innovation agenda. And therefore, we are establishing a third call for the African Union Research Grant to be devoted particularly in Ebola. And I believe the call is going to be ready for publication in the first quarter next year. Without any delay, I would like to call Richard Roberts to the podium to give his presentation. But before that, I will not use a traditional method to introduce the panelists in this meeting. Because what we have in this book, everybody read it. But I would like every panelist to stimulate the youngest scientist here and to give them how he or she be able to face the channels and become an eminent scientist in this panel. Thank you very much, Prof.